Hi, welcome to Adventures in Pop-Ups. I'm Blake, this is Rachel, and this is number 3 in Pop-Up Camper Questions. We're doing a bunch, 50, 100 questions. If you have a question that you want answered, drop it in the comments, and we'll be sure to add it to the list if it's not already there. Number 3 is, how does a pop-up camper work? And it's not too complicated, but can you explain it to them in just a minute or two, honey?
Okay, so disclaimer, we are not like mechanics, but a general overview of pop-up camping is obviously you have a system that raises up. So underneath your camper, there are cables, pulleys, you have a crank, either manual, or you have an electric button that you push and it does it for you. It does
Love
take
that, by the way.
It does take longer, by the way. The hand crank was faster. Anyhow, that's basically it. Cables, pulleys, whiffletree ties it all together.
Whiffletree, you said my word. I wanted to say that. Whiffletree.
It's fun to say. Whiffletree.
And the whiffletree, guys, just a quick note, we'll do a video on it someday, probably. It's just a few bolts to take the thing off. It's a metal plate on the bottom in the middle where all the cables go through the grease, and it keeps your cables lubricated and clean, or they clean them with the grease, and it makes the pulleys and everything work better so you don't get your cables dried out and then they snap. Common problem. If you do it every other year, not a problem.
Yep.
They'll last a long time or forever.
Keep it greased, use the right grease.
But it only takes about 45 minutes or an hour or so to do the job. Just clean off the old stuff, put on some new stuff, and screw it back in. And that's it. That's really all there is to it, so don't stress about it.
All right. This has been another episode of Adventures in Pop-Ups. We're in the middle of answering your questions. Drop us a question, answer a question. Oh, special shout out.
Yes.
I totally meant to mention this. Please, if you're looking for more mechanical videos, 2 places you gotta look.
Yep.
Number 1, Derek Smith, Coleman Pop-Up Parts, has a phenomenal channel and website that he actually sells used pop-up parts.
Yeah.
He's amazing.
He bought a warehouse.
He's amazing.
And
check out that one, which will be in the description. And then also the other one.
Especially for Coleman Fleetwood.
Yes.
So that's more, and we love the Fleetwoods. And if you love Fleetwoods, hey, tell us what you got and tell us what you like and what you want to get. Also, our friends over at It's Poppin', they have a Fleetwood now.
They do.
And just very knowledgeable, and they have good skills on redoing and customizing their campers. So check out It's Poppin'. You probably already know about them, but in case you're new and you haven't found them, they're amazing. So shout out to both those channels. If you haven't done so, get over there to them and subscribe and follow them, because they're smart.
Good stuff.
And you should learn from them.
All right. Thank you for watching. Happy camping.
Blessings.